What it was like for me giving birth at the Horton was really special, and we were really looked after and supported. Everybody kind of went above and beyond to make sure that it was a positive birthing experience for me and my husband and for baby Charlie.
The philosophy underlying a midwife-led unit is normality. It treats birth as a normal event. It involves the whole family in the childbirth process, and the woman's at the centre of our care here.
Being my first baby, I was really apprehensive and not quite sure what was going to happen, and I was kind of really worried that the midwives would kind of just take over and be like, actually, we're going to do it this way, but they really listened, and we just felt loved really, as though it was just a big family. We hadn't really gone to see like professional people, even though they were so professional. It was just such a big kind of lovely family.
Bringing new lives into the world is the most exciting thing about being a midwife. I think it's why we all do it really, but the lovely thing about working here at the midwife-led unit is that we see the whole family involved in that process. We're able to support the women to have as straightforward, natural birth as possible, and then afterwards help them to bond with their baby, and just watching that new family take that first step is really wonderful.
The midwives have been lovely. When you come in, they've always really welcoming, and when I've had my scan, they've been, you know, really helpful, informative. The lady that did the scan was really lovely, so it makes it obviously you feel a lot more relaxed, because it's always a bit of a nerve-wracking thing, you know, when it's your first pregnancy. What you want really is to feel comfortable and have all that information.
Midwifery-led units are absolutely fantastic. Anyone who is a normal, low-risk pregnancy is strongly advised to deliver in a midwifery-led unit, because the intervention rate is considerably lower. The midwives are exceptionally good at delivering babies normally, and it just offers them a fantastic level of care.
The midwife who we had was amazing. She helped me so much. She just let me go at my own pace, didn't pressure anything at all. There was no do it this way, do it this way. It was, would you like to get in the pool? Would you like aromatherapy oils? Would you like massages? It was wonderful.
The birth rate study shows that it's safe for women with low risk and uncomplicated pregnancies to give birth in a midwifery-led setting. We have very experienced midwives who are skilled in detecting anything that deviates from the normal in pregnancy, and if there's anything that is highlighted as a risk or a deterioration, then we would be discussing with the mother and the partner the recommendations for needs for transfer to an obstetric unit.
We have some quite clear guidelines about which women are suitable to give birth in a midwife-led unit. Some women who have complications in their pregnancy or medical complications are better cared for in an obstetric setting, in a hospital in other words.
Obviously, women who are high risk for whatever reason, either something that's developed in their pregnancy or a long-standing condition, need to be in a place where there is medical support and medical help available. And that would mean delivering in an obstetric-led unit.
Part of our job here is to spot little problems and prevent them becoming big problems, so that we avoid any emergencies, which I think is what a lot of women worry about. If there is a problem, we deal with it straight away here. We have ambulance backup 24/7 right outside the door, so that if a transfer is needed, it's done as speedily as possible, and we take the woman to the hospital.
Because it was so sort of private here and it was just so relaxed, it helped me to relax, and it also felt like they knew what they were doing. So I didn't have to worry about whether things was going in the right direction or not. They could worry about that for me, which I think really helped keep me calm and my husband calm as well.
We really care about the women we see, and we want to offer the best care. We look at the care that they require, we assess their needs, we plan their care along with the women that we see and their families as well.
At the Horton we have a team of dedicated, experienced midwives who are passionate about delivering excellent care to women and their families. They strive towards creating a warm, welcoming, relaxing environment which we know enhances that birth experience for women.
The services here are amazing. I've got friends who are pregnant at the moment, and I've told them, you know, make sure that if you can, you're having a birth at the Horton. it was just incredible.
I would definitely recommend the service here at the Horton to other ladies having babies. There wasn't anything that we needed that we didn't have or couldn't get. The support we had was everything we needed and more. I hope they continue to do the brilliant job that they've done so far, and we couldn't thank you enough for the experience, and I hope more people come so they can appreciate how good it is.